my name is Mohammed Irfan.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mubina Sabah.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Masuma Sabah.
I am from Pink Category, and I am very thankful to Quest English Language Center, which give us very amazing activity. And this activity name is Quest Scientific Word. And for those Quest Scientific Word, we will make one activity. And as you see, we make one activity. And now I will explain our activity. And in our activity, one house is there, and in our house 3 rooms are there, and there are some trees, and there are one garden, and there are one parking lot, and parking lot 2 cars are there, and there is one garden. In garden some people are sitting, and there is one flag. It take 5 days, and we very work hard. I am very thankful to Quest English Language Center. I learned many things for this activity. Thank you for your kind attention.